Hello, welcome back. Look at this, we've got a standard, pretty much standard, on the exterior T6.1. The only change it's got is wheels. Well, and the popped up as well, but we're not going to count that. If you see my previous video, this has had the full AI Campers Tamar Caravan Centre works on the inside. Fantastic interior conversion, really high quality. I shall pop a link down below and probably at the end of this video so you can see that. But I personally feel on the exterior it is lacking, but there's so many different aftermarket parts which are available for it, so it doesn't actually have to cost you a fortune. Titan Transporters can actually offer you this, and I've spoke to Dean, and Dean has got the identical van. We can match the quality of the inside of this van with the outside, and it doesn't take much. Lower grille, splitter, lower the ride height, sidebar, and you're pretty much there. It doesn't cost an awful lot, so I've come to see Dean at Titan Transporters, who's done this to his identical coloured van, just to show you what difference it can make. So let's have a look what Dean's got to say. This van here is a phenomenal looking van. Started off life as a basic T6.1 Kombi, as you see here, bit dull, and now it is this. And I'm going to introduce you to the person who's done these modifications, which is Dean from Titan Transporters, who does this for a living, and he can do it for you if you like. So Dean is going to go through each of these modifications one by one. Wheels, these are absolute beauties. So what are these?
So these are the Inovit Blitz. They're a 20-inch wheel with a 255/40/20 profile tyre. Moving to the back, we've actually gone for the same 20-inch tyre, 20-inch wheel, 20-inch tyre, but with a 275/40/20. This has got a staggered rear offset, which means that the rear wheel is a lot wider. That's what gives it the sort of better rear stance. Coming down the side of the van, we've got our black sidebars fitted and black roof bars. Moving around to the back of the van, complemented the back quite subtly with a rear bumper protector and a transporter badge and centre transporter badge, all in gloss black, with a Sportline rear spoiler. We fitted a tow trust tow bar, which is detachable with full electrics for towing caravans and trailers. So as we move around to the front of the van, we've made some significant changes to the front. In fact, we've completely removed the front end by the bonnet and the headlights. The 6.1 is complemented with a lot slimmer, more sleeker headlights than the T6, which are a lot fatter. We've removed the front bumper and we've taken the front grille away and replaced it with this gloss black feature. Keeping the existing chrome VW badge in the middle, we've added the additional colour-coded line, which follows the horizontal design that Volkswagen have gone for with the 6.1. Moving down into the bumper itself, the T6 Highline front bumper is remaining the same. However, we've removed the grills from the lower end and replaced it with the gloss black, and again added the additional colour-coded line all the way through the middle. Moving down to the lower half, we've added a splitter. This particular splitter is by Leighton's. It's the Leighton's LVS splitter, a really nice unit, unique to them, with the gloss black lower trim below, just to add that extra sleek look to the lower end of the front end. Looking down the side of the van and the stance of the van, and what sets it apart from a lot of other vehicles is the suspension setup and a lot of things that people miss. We've gone for a coilover setup here, which is fully adjustable. It allows us to set the ride height to the front and the rear exactly how we want it to be in that positioning. The front is set 5mm lower, which to most people would seem not a lot. However, it gives it the lower front end, with the back end of the van sitting up slightly higher. And with that staggered offset rear wheel, it gives it a really nice chunky look and a really nice comfortable ride. It also allows a little bit of tolerance for carrying passengers in the rear. And if you're loading up the back of the van, it also gives you the opportunity to have a little bit of tolerance where, with the weight in the back, the van will still sit level and not look like the van is overloaded in the back. One of the nice benefits of the 6.1 is the option of having electric sliding doors. It's something that you can either order from factory or you can retrofit. The sliding doors look really nice and are fully operated on the key and can be opened at a distance the same as locking or unlocking the car. Fully open and then fully closing.
I love them, absolutely love them. So can you put those doors on my T6?
Certainly can, Steve. We can fit them, we can retrofit them to T6 or T6.1 at any time.
Love that, absolutely love that. Does the tailgate do the same?
Tailgate does the same.
Oh, I love it. I do love
Again,
pressing
can be
the
retrofitted,
buttons.
Steve. We can retrofit the tailgate to work on the button fully as well.
Internally, there's also things that can be done as well. The T6.1 does not come with a comfort dash option, which the T6 did. Now this is a really nice dash, obviously, which you've shown you before in the California video and a couple of others. Really nice dash, but you cannot get it in the 6.1. But there are other things which you can do. First of all, you've got the steering wheel. Now the steering wheel is again much improved over the standard T6, the previous generation. A lot more modern, but you can improve on this further. Now what Dean's done here, he's got a Golf R steering wheel, I believe it is, or it might actually be a Golf GTI, but it's a much better steering wheel, better quality, and it really does improve the look of the van internally. Also, very disappointing really from Volkswagen is the Dsg knob. I mean, have a look at this. For a premium product, this is the Highline model as well, and the actual gear knob just looks cheap, but again, it can be improved on, and it's really quite straightforward to do. So this knob here is gloss black, and you can actually see the driving modes on there. So you've got your park, your drive, your neutral, reverse, etc. So just a couple of additional internal modifications, mainly for the driver. So there we go, T6.1. I did have to get Dean to do this video because obviously, as you know, I've only got a T6, but it's given me some ideas because I love the doors. And look at these mirrors, he can retrofit power mirrors as well. Unbelievable. I absolutely love this van, really appreciative that I've actually been able to see it today. It's far better than the T6 as far as I'm concerned. Really like the van. It looks better. It just feels more modern than the T6. It really has given me some ideas. So thanks again to Dean today. Appreciate his time, and I appreciate your time as well for watching. If you haven't seen my other videos on the exterior modifications or the interior modifications or what I've done to my van so far, then do have a look at these here. For now, thanks for watching. Take care. I shall see you soon.